of oxygen. If you add them, what will you get? You are right, 1 plus 1 plus 16 gives us 18 Dalton. Why this atomic mass numbers? Don't worry, this is all sodium chloride. So the total mass of the molecule is 20.
1 kg rice? This is so funny. Obviously earlier
Measurement of matter class 9. Molecular mass of water is 18 Daltons, and of sodium chloride is 58.5. How to find molecular mass? In this video we will learn how to find molecular mass of any compound within seconds, provided we have the atomic masses of each element.
You are watching Adindire's channel. Watch the video till the end to get thorough with removing molecular mass of any element within seconds. Firstly, tell me what is a molecule. To understand this, look at this example. If they are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, if you add them, what will you get? You are right, we will get water. So water is a molecule. A molecule is formed when atoms of same or different elements combine with each other. Now, we will learn about how to find molecular mass. Let's look at this example. Suppose there is 1 atom of hydrogen. Its atomic mass is 1 Dalton. Then atomic mass of 2 hydrogen would be 2. Then, there is 1 atom of oxygen. It has atomic mass of 16 Daltons. All of these atoms combine to form water molecule, right? So, what is the total mass of water molecule? You are right. 1 plus 1 plus 16 gives us 18 Dalton. Students, tell me in the comments, what are the unit and symbol of atomic mass? Now, let's look at another example. We saw earlier in the video that mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 Daltons. How did we get it? For this we require this atomic mass numbers. Don't worry, this is already given in your textbook. Never memorize them. So sodium chloride is formed by sodium and chlorine ions. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 and that of chlorine is 35.5. When sodium and chlorine atoms add, we get sodium chloride. So the total mass of the molecule is 23 plus 35.5, which gives us 58.5. Easy, right? Similarly, let's look at another example. Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Look over here, students. Atomic mass of sodium is 23, of oxygen is 16 and that of hydrogen is 1. So to find molecular formula of sodium hydroxide, we write Na plus O plus H, which will be 23 plus 16 plus 1. What is the answer, students? You are right, on addition we get 40 Dalton.
As we are done, we move to the concept of a mole. Suppose 1 kilogram of rice contains 1,000 grains. Similarly, 1 kilogram of wheat contains 500 grains. There is a boy called Dave who loves to play. If Dave's mom tells him to bring 1 kilogram rice, what will he tell the vendor? Would he say, "Give me 1,000 grains of rice," or directly 1 kg rice? This is so funny. Obviously he will tell the vendor to give him 1 kilogram rice, as he already knows that it will contain 1,000 grains. Dave is not going to sit there and count all the grains. Similarly is the case of a mole. Instead of counting atoms and molecules in a chemical reaction, we refer to a bigger term called mole, like we had kilogram. This makes our work easier. For instance, we saw earlier that the molecular mass of sodium chloride was 58.5, right? So, if Dave's mom tells him to bring 1 mole of sodium chloride, how much is he supposed to bring? He will bring 58.5 grams of sodium chloride. Because this is the molecular mass of sodium chloride. and molecular mass of a substance in daltons is equal to the molecular mass of a substance in grams, which makes 1 mole. So Dave will bring 58.5 grams. Students, how much is 1 mole of water? You are smart. Since molecular mass of water is 18 daltons, which equals 18 grams. So 1 mole water is 18 grams. Animation makes learning so easy, right? This brings us to definition of a mole. A mole is that quantity of a substance whose mass in grams is equal in magnitude to the molecular mass of that substance in daltons. So the formula of mole is number of moles of a substance is equal to mass of substance in grams upon molecular mass of a substance. Students, tell me in the comments the unit of a mole. How many molecules are there in 1 mole? This brings us to the Avogadro's number concept. Just like a dozen has 12 items, a decade has 10 years, a century has 100 years, a week has 7 days. Similarly, a mole has 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. For example, a mole of water which contain 18 gram of water has 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Let's solve an example to make your concept clear. The question goes like this. How many molecules are there in 80 gram of sodium hydroxide? We already know that molecular formula of sodium hydroxide is 40 daltons. So the formula for moles goes like this. Mole is equal to mass of substance in grams, in our case NaO, in grams upon molecular mass of NaOH. So we get 80 upon 40, the answer is 2. So we got 2 moles as the answer. We already know that 1 mole contains how many molecules? So 2 moles will contain 2 into Avogadro number, which gives us 12.044 into 10 raised to 23. Learning made easy through animations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Adendia's channel. Also press the bell notification to be updated with latest